Yeah, here doing a little video on my system. Newly built, probably about a month ago. Just gonna give you a rundown of some specs here. Case that you're seeing right now, NZXT Nemesis Elite Edition. Very happy with this case. I mean, got good airflow and stuff. It's got some minor problems, but I won't go over with those to you now. Got my case badges, or stickers, aka. You can't really see it that well, but CD DVD drive, read and write CDs and DVDs. Change the color of the eye if I want to. Whatever. It's got good air. Like I said, the case got good airflow. 320mm fans. To contribute to that airflow, I've added a bunch of stuff. Take the front side panel off here. Start with the bottom up, I guess. I've got a Segate 250 gig, 7200 RPM hard drive. Hard drives, I've had this hard drive probably a year and a half to 2 years. Never failed me, done pretty good. That thing on the bottom there, that came with the case, is to keep all the toolless installation stuff for the drive and stuff in one place. I like it. Takes up 2 hard drive bays, but hey. Here we get a close up here on the hard drive. You can see the MassCool hard drive cooler, dual 42mm fans to cool off some hard drive chipsets. Hey, hard drive does a pretty good job. It needs some rewards, right? Board, GIGABYTE X48 DS4. Very good board, very reliable. With the economy this bad, needs to save some power, and it's got a lot of energy saving features, so I'm kind of happy with that. Saving me some power. Huge graphics card here. Well, it's not that huge compared to things like 4870 X2, stuff like that. 4850, next best thing, 4850. Can't talk. 4850 graphics card by ASUS. And if any of you have it, you noticed that I tore off that girl sticker it had on it. Kind of like the original design better. Crossfire enabled board, or PCI Express 2.0. We've got PNY Optima, 4 gigs of RAM, 4x1 gig configuration. How can you forget the ZALMAN CNPS9700 CPU cooler, and under that, the brains of the beast, the Intel Core 2 Quad Q6600, stock 2.4. Got it at 3 GHz right now. Could probably go a little higher. Up here we got BFG Tech 650 watt power supply, and just to clue you in, I had to RMA the first one I got because didn't work. Had to jump start it, and I had to do a little mischief with running dual power supplies, one hanging out. Put a little picture of it here. Yeah, pretty much have a tuner on the side of your case. That up there is the fan controller for the CNPS9700. Top display here, got your temperatures, but it's not really useful since when you turn off your system, it turns the display off, therefore wiping out your dates and time. There you go. And also the color of your eye also gets reset to blue. Where's pretty much the insides of the beast. Now we move on to the display. Running Windows Vista 64-bit. This is the Ultimate Edition. Got your Steam games, stuff like that. Can't wait for Far Cry 2. Not really. I used to have a 5.1 speaker configuration in here, but kind of took it out, went back to the stereo because I use some headphones, so there's my games. Yeah. Future plans with this build is I've got today actually I went and ordered, and I've got that coming. I've got the Corsair Dominator RAM Cooler coming in, and I want to invest on dual Western Digital Velociraptors 10K drives. Want to get a 74 gig one and the 32 gig one. Run them in RAID 0 configuration. Should give me a little bit more speed. Oh, and then if any of you noticed, who knows, I am actually running on a 4.3 standard monitor, 1280 by 1024 resolution. Yeah, I do want more. Thinking of upgrading to a 24-inch widescreen monitor, get full 1080p HD. The peripherals, got Logitech MX518 gaming mouse. Pretty good gaming mouse, I mean. Cheap, 40 bucks. Good for the price. I mean, and I'm not that serious that I need to be messing with weights or nothing. I don't really want to show off my keyboard, but really cheap, $15 keyboard. Not that great. But yeah, very good system, proud of it. And yeah, I've got a mess of USB ports in the back because of that GIGABYTE board. I think I've got 8 in the back. So yeah, so that's my system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys later.